here today with Mr. Paul Reimens, who's the chairman of the executive board of CANSO. Thank you very much for speaking to us, Mr. Reimens. CANSO is very well represented in many markets in the world, but there are also some notable absences in the CANSO map, like China, Latin America, much of the Arabian Peninsula. Do you see this changing in the future?
Well, what I foresee, if you consider CANSO as a rather young trade association, last 15 years we worked on getting more members on board. We worked on that very hard. I think we are just in the middle somewhere, that we are trying to develop the different regions. I think that Europe is well represented. Still other parts like China, like Africa, there are still a lot of developments to be made, but I foresee that in the next coming decade we have these kind of regions on board.
There's a fantastic attendance at the summit today. What do you expect from this event?
Well, as has been said in my speech, I think it's very important that CANSO is going to transform itself from the voice, the global voice of air traffic management, to the global partner. And global partner means that we're going to work in every region to develop, let's say, the supply chain, and that we're going to deliver what our customers or stakeholders need in the different regions. And that's the work we're currently doing. I think that the conclusion of the summit will be that actually leading and leadership related to our doing is the most important component for the next coming year.
Okay. The summit is being hosted in Italy. The hosts are ENAV, which is the Italian Air Traffic Control Organization. What is the role of ENAV within CANSO, and how does Italy fit into the overall European picture?
ENAV is one of the most proactive ANSPs, not only in Europe but also in the world. The different people of ENAV are very capable and knowledgeable, so they put their knowledge and skills into CANSO, not only on a European level but also on a global level. CANSO is also about exporting the knowledge we have, so ENAV is just a very good example of doing this in the world.
And what is CANSO doing to reduce the environmental impact of carbon emissions, which is a very hot topic these days?
A couple of months ago we had, during the ATAC conference, we brought up a paper together with Boeing, where we have said we have this paper with comprising 7 steps to be taken to reduce carbon emission and to finally have a carbon neutral future for the air traffic management. So in that leaflet, in that book or report, you see the steps we're going to take in a collaborative way with ACI, ICAO and CANSO to find solutions and to be finally carbon neutral.
Mr. Reimens, thank you very much indeed.
Okay, thank you very much.